Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Dirk, Freedom Lifestyles Academy, and today I'm going to do a video about how to make money on Warrior Plus, how to earn money doing product reviews. Warrior Plus is a platform where you find many products that you can market, but how can you make money? How can you earn money doing, reviews about these products? Hi, as I said, my name is Dirk. This is Freedom Lifestyles Academy, and this YouTube channel is all about making money, affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, all together creating a freedom lifestyle. I'm also doing a lot of product reviews on this channel to help you to make an informed buying decision. But today I'm going to talk about how you can make money doing those reviews, and especially on Warrior Plus. So this is our YouTube channel, and this is where you're watching this video. And as you can see, I do some reviews about products, and especially these is CPA Bootcamp review and a repeat payment review. And here we got heel reviews, and there are more reviews that you can find here. Also like ClickBank and ClickBank here. I can show you ClickBank as well. And this all helps to do that. So let me dive into ClickBank here, or click funnels in a way so that can go, but I want to show you here Warrior Plus first, because Warrior Plus is what we are talking about. And if I look here at Warrior Plus, let me see here, it is today, it's 11/11 and it's the 22nd, and I want to show you here my dashboard. I think it's dashboard all the time. So if I do today there is no commission came in yet. I guess I do go, and I just want to show you here because I did not do a video yet today. The day just got started here in Costa Rica where I live, and I'm able to live here in Costa Rica doing these videos, kind of videos and product reviews. So, but if I do all time, I can do yesterday. So yesterday I made some video about the CPA Bootcamp, and the launch was yesterday. And I earned $43.12. And this week I earned $54 doing these videos. You see, I did CPA Bootcamp and repeat payments. And if you look here on my YouTube channel, those are the two. Let me affiliates. Those are the two videos I did. So this really works. And how do you go from here, and how do you set everything up? So how can you make money on Warrior Plus? So what I'll do in the whole process is I'll go to a website called muncheye.com. You want to write this down, muncheye.com. And there is just this page, and there are big launches and all launches. The big launches that will get more traction, so to say, and the smaller launches, smaller. These are created often by people that have, they're known out there, and these are marketed. They're more likely to get a lot of traffic. So what happens if one of these products get launched? There are affiliate marketers out there that have big lists, and they will, there's a launch from this Jamie Aller, and what I will do, I'll send this to my list. And people receive those emails, open those emails, and what they do to check it out, to learn a little bit more, if it's legit, if there's, what kind of things is going on there, they go and type in, for example, repeat payment review. So, as you can see here on Warrior Plus, the repeat payment, just launched, repeat payments, do we see here? On the 20th of Tommy E, repeat payment, $90 up 15%. So people start to search, they go online, and most likely they either go to Google, they will bring into a video, or they go to YouTube where they can finally find a review. So repeat payment review, they search, and you see there are many others. Yeah, there are many others, but still I make the sale. So what I do, I offer a bonus, and you can see other people offer bonuses as well. And you see 6,000 views, and I always see you can buy views and stuff like that to give it a bit more traction, or he has a really big list, all done. And there are different ways to do this. There are people that just upload the sales video and hope to get traction like that. My experience is that that does not work. I've tried that. Do an intro video and then put the sales video behind it. It did not work, and so no, definitely not recommend doing that. You do need to do the work, but I'll explain a little bit more about how to set this up. So people find me, click my link. I offer bonuses. I offer our Instagram training, Facebook Mastery course, and our Rise Online course. That is normally valued about almost $2,000, but I give free access to this because I want to, help people to make an informed buying decision and reward them for that. So there are also other ways to create bonuses. I will tap into that a little bit later in the end of this video. I'll show you how. For example, here affiliate market ClickFunnels is another product that I did a review over and really worked well. So just to show you that it actually works, and does that work? So recurring payments over $13,500, almost $13,500 lifetime earnings. So it works to doing reviews. And if I go back here on my YouTube channel and I go back, you can see that I did a review about it not that long ago. Super here, ClickFunnels affiliate program review, how I made XYZ. So doing review products is awesome, but on Warrior Plus, Warrior Plus is just a platform where you can find products. So now you can do this with launches. You can also do this with existing products. So I would go to Warrior Plus, top products, or marketplace and categories. You can search like that. Marketing, education, platforms, Amazon. You can industries, e-commerce, investing. Look at what your niche is and find a product that resonates with you and that fits into your YouTube channel, fits with your audience, and stuff like that. Marketing, education, CPA, traffic. Or you go to top products. These products are selling, so these are popular products that are selling at this moment. And repeat payments is number one right now. Click Profits, AI, Commissioner. See, these are launched but still going. These are not recently launched, so some of them are, some of them not. So then dive into it. So for repeat payments, let's click on repeat payments. I did this. And then you see the sales page, and this is the affiliate page, and you walk through it. But what I do, this is how I do with a launch, is I find, for example, IM Wealth Builders. They create a lot. There's more here that will launch, but what I'll do is I'll click on them and go and visit them. I'll see there. I can learn more here about the vendor, and I can learn more about the product here. So I'll go there. First I'll the vendor. Not much to find here about him, but I know they're doing awesome products and they sell really, really well. And you can see these they have launched, and these will be launched in the coming time in November, December, January, February, and April. These will all be launched about of them. So that is cool. And I can learn more here about him. So the toolkit. I already had this open. So you can see, you learn more about the product. I can get my affiliate link here. You just click it. You will be directed to Warrior Plus. My link is already approved, but it will say request link. You just hit it. Sometimes you have to answer a question or not. We just hit it and then be patient. It will be approved. Most likely this. I have not encountered that my link was not approved. So I can read more here. You can also use this in your review. What you learned here. You can learn about this product and what it is all about. And then I scroll all the way down to see if I can contact this guy. Matt Garrett. He's the creator of this person. I can connect with him on Skype, on email, and Facebook. Now I went to use my email and I send him an email. Ask Matt G. Access review version of Block Niche 2. So I just asked him to, you know, I want to do, hey Matt, dear Matt, first of all, thank you for taking the time to read my email. I wanted to do a review. You know, just don't be weird. Just, it's a person. He wants to make sales. You want to make sales. So, you know, can I get a review version of this tool so I can test drive it and I can do an honest review about it? So this is how I go to work. Then I added here a calendar, for example. And I put all the lunches in here that I want to. Oh, I go too fast. Sorry, guys. I go super fast. So I put them in here, and I don't know why it's stopped. I can't go down. Oh, this is this one. I put them in here, and then so I did CPA bootcamp. But normally, you know, if I go further, so blue, I got the link video flow. I have not checked it yet. So, but what I can do, I click it. I can click here. I can click there. Brings me to JVZoo. Your status. I can get links. Oh, maybe I did not do this yet. Oh, here's my link. I got approved here as well. So then I would go back to my calendar and mark it like blue. So I got it. And if I also got a review page, then I will mark it green. So for this, oh, it's behind it, I will make it green as well because can I do that here? No. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I did a review and I made some money off that. So guys, this is how you make money on Warrior Plus. Now you can really show. You go to Muncheye, you select the product, connect with the you request your affiliate link, and once it got approved, then reach out to the owner of the product, the creator, and ask for a version, a review version, a demo version, you know, because you want to do a review. And in the review, you just go over the product. You can talk about the sales page, what you've learned here. You know, this is the affiliate page, but learn what a product is about. That is something you can share. And if you have a demo version, you can, you know, log in and walk them through, talk about the product, talk about the videos that you encounter, and talk about, you know, and give them an honest opinion about what it is that you think it is. So this is something that you can do with launches, and of course this is also something you can do with existing products. And if you do not get access to a demo version and it's an existing product, hey, buy the product, and it's often low cost, $20-$30, and you know, you'll learn something by going through it. You'll learn of the product as well, and from there on you can give an honest opinion. So that is a super great way. Where did I learn all this? If you want to learn more about how to make money on Warrior Plus using YouTube product reviews and earn money in that way, then where I went is the 6-Figure Partner Program. This is my mentor, Joshua Alder, created this, and the 6-Figure Partner Program allows you to really copy and paste his content, his videos, and he helps you to set up your business here. He will help you to set up a messenger bot that does all the contact for you and the talking up and down to a certain point, and brings them up to a sales team that does the sales for you. And in a minute, I will show you our results using this strategy. And here you can actually download his videos and stuff like that. It will give you access to this. These are all his videos. And he tells you what to do with it and how you can work with it. So that is super cool. And here in Module 5, he talks about launch jacking. Exactly what I'm talking to you right now, how you can set everything up, how you find your products, how do you do your reviews, how to create bonuses and all of this kind of cool stuff. It makes money. There's proof in the pocket here. Where was it? Here. How are you making money? And you know, let's do all. Of course, I'm not doing this for long here on Warrior Plus, but you can do this for ClickBank. You can do this for JVZoo. Doesn't matter. There are products everywhere. So almost $260 here on Warrior Plus. And what did I do? I shot 2-3 videos, about 10 minutes long, and this is what I got. So does it work? Yes, it does work, and I learned this in the 6-Figure Partner Program, and by promoting that as well. and setting up this whole process. My results here, I got me $500, here we have $4,500, and almost $50 here. There was another $2,500 sale here, and I got paid by Joshua Alba here, 2,348 and 876. So does it work? Yes, it does work. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do recommend it. If you want to learn more, then hit the first link in the description below. Go through the funnel and learn more about this. This is how you can make money on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, all the affiliate products that are out there will help you to set this up. It even works for a product called ClickFunnels here. As you go here to my funnel here, I do ClickFunnel affiliate review. Does it work? $13,434.87. It does work. So I'm super excited. Go click in the first link in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to drop them in below in the comments, and I'm here for you to help you to create a better life, to create a freedom lifestyle for you as well. Talk to you soon. Bye guys.